Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Your cabin filter is located under your glove box in this GTI. What you're gonna do is there's these two little screws. You're gonna unscrew these fasteners just with your hands. They come off, they're plastic, they're very easy to pull off. Come off. And then this panel comes right down. So the cabin filter is underneath this panel right here. You can grab it right here and you're gonna slide it to the outside of the car, to the right side. Then you're gonna pull it down. I'm gonna pull the cabin filter out. Oh, this is nasty. As you can see, this one should have been changed many miles ago. This is our old cabin filter. As you can see, it's disgusting. There's a lot of debris in there that has collected over time. This is our new cabin filter from 1aauto.com. As you can see, it's identical to the one that came out. All the slots are in the same spots, and the shape is the same. And this is gonna help prevent smell and make the air that you breathe better and safer. And we can put this in and you'll be good to rock and roll. Now we're gonna reinstall our new filter. You're gonna wanna hold it with the sloped part towards the outside of the vehicle. We're gonna slide it right in the slot. Push up. Then you're going to take this cover with the ears facing the driver's side, line into the slots, and then you're going to push it towards the driver. Now we're going to replace this lower cover. Get it lined up. These little vent holes that line up with the HVAC vents. And the two fasteners. They're just plastic, so you don't want to tighten them too much. Just get them snug. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.